Good morning. So this helmet, I got it from one of the riders that I gave a good helmet, and I took this back because I didn't even want him to get tempted to use it or give it to someone else. I have an upcoming project that I'm going to be using these helmets to turn them into something usable. So let's see what happens.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit.
So this is what I did on Saturday. The inside is white, the outside is black, and now I am trying out different things that can do artwork. I want to be able to identify what to use for artwork, and two, to be able to try out different things, because I would want kids to participate as well, and I would want to make it as safe as it is for children. One thing I realized when I was doing the spray painting, that is not something you can do with the children. So when we will have a children's helmet artwork day for road safety, we will definitely have to spray paint them before, because that paint is not just good for kids. So today I have bought these ones. I think they would work really well with kids. Girls can do this. I've also bought this. These ones are glue, glitter glue. So I just want to see several colors actually. So I want to see if they can actually hold on the helmet. So let's see what I'm able to do with this today.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first.
I like this. I think this is something a little girl would enjoy doing. Love it. Do you love it? Let me know in the comment section.